Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Mosky again. Going to do a cold start on the Echo trimmer now. Echo SRM-2015. If you hear a vacuum cleaner in the background, it's because my mum's cleaning her car. It hasn't run for even longer than the Mitsubishi, about 4 months this one. Hasn't been touched since then. Fuel's probably stale then. Hope it's going to start. It should do. It's an Echo after all. So let's get the camera lined up properly. That's how I can. That's about the best I can do without it falling down. So, just going to turn it on, choke it. Oh yeah, it is cold. See, touching the muffler, it's cold. Going to prime it 7 times. There we go. I'm going to hold the throttle down and see what it does. That was pretty good. Take choke off. There you go. Again, the neighbours are around, so I can't really run it that much. It's got a meaner note than the Mitsubishi, as you can hear. Still haven't sorted the head out on it yet. But yeah, it runs alright. See you next time.